Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like and subscribe for more videos of Choroqs and other toy cars. I have another Choroq guys. It's a Choro bike. I bought this maybe 2 to 3 months ago. This one is loose without box but in very good condition guys. It's a Kawasaki Z750 guys. It's a big bike in very good condition guys, no scratch at all. Okay. It's a Choro bike, standard size. In very good condition guys. But there are many models like GP bike, race bike, anything. But this one is the only available in the shop. So I bought these two guys. The one is still in the box. This one, what they call this? Honda. Anyway guys, I can't read, it's too small. But this one is a Honda. This one is in the box with carrier, detailed carrier guys. And tail light, signal light, front and rear. So this one is the Kawasaki and this one is a Honda. And you can see they have a small what they call this, stand. And they are pull back guys, but reverse pull back guys, not the one you know. This is a front pull back guys, like this. Okay guys, it's kind of unique guys. And this one also. So guys, there you have it. It's a Choroq Choro bike, standard size. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.